Welcome, and thanks for joining this short lecture on how blockchain is reshaping supply chains. Over the next slides, we'll explore practical applications, core concepts, and real-world case studies to show how shared ledgers can improve traceability, compliance, and efficiency, and we'll close with governance and a pilot-first implementation approach you can actually use. In this slide, I'll walk you through the core blockchain concepts that matter for supply chains. Unlike a single entity database, a decentralized digital ledger is time-stamped, cryptographically linked, and immutable, with multiple nodes reaching consensus, which together create far greater transparency and trust across trading partners and reduce single points of failure. This page focuses on provenance and compliance, showing how blockchain captures raw material origin through handoffs to last-mile delivery. That immutable chain can expose counterfeits, verify ethical sourcing, satisfy regulators, and deliver instant provenance checks, so companies avoid lengthy audits and paperwork while proving product history in seconds. Here we show how IoT integration delivers real-time visibility. Sensors for location, temperature, humidity, and tamper events feed data directly into blockchain blocks and synchronized dashboards, allowing stakeholders to see delays, route deviations, and storage violations as they happen, so issues are revealed and resolved immediately rather than after the fact. Smart contracts embed executable rules that automate supply chain actions. A proof of delivery or a temperature breach can cryptographically validate predefined conditions and trigger payments, reordering, or penalties automatically, which eliminates intermediaries, shortens cycle time, reduces manual paperwork, and frees up working capital while improving operational efficiency. Real-world examples bring this to life. Walmart uses shared ledgers to record temperature histories and trace products from farm to fork, cutting tracebacks from days to seconds, while Moderna uses blockchain to prove vaccine integrity at every fridge handoff, narrowing recall scopes and ensuring proven integrity across the cold chain. Two enterprise case studies illustrate different benefits. BMW's digital passport tracks component origins to verify mileage, enable predictive maintenance, and prevent counterfeit parts, while Tesla focuses on raw material provenance, tracking items like cobalt to ensure ethical sourcing, compliant recycling, and overall supply chain verification. The Tomcar case study contrasts traditional cross-border payments and manual document flows with a blockchain-enabled solution. Direct crypto payments bypass correspondent banks to cut time and fees. A transparent ledger records transactions immutably, and smart contracts automate document release and security, streamlining workflow and reducing operational friction. Private consortium chains deliver enterprise-grade efficiency by restricting write and read access to vetted members, ensuring governance and GDPR compliance, while optimizing operations with faster throughput and lower energy use than public chains, and producing immutable audit trails that support secure, unchangeable records for transparency and accountability. This slide explains how physical assets stay synchronized with on-chain records. RFID tags, QR codes, and GS1 identifiers feed sensor events through API gateways into blockchain blocks, so each physical handoff is recorded on-chain, guaranteeing that off-chain reality and on-chain records match and reducing reconciliation errors across the supply chain. Governance and ROI measurement begin with setting multi-party rules, defining node hosting responsibilities, and implementing data access rights. That infrastructure creates measurable value flows such as reduced chargebacks and fraud, faster, targeted recalls, lower financing costs through improved transparency, and stronger customer trust from verified provenance. The recommended implementation roadmap is a pilot-first approach. Start with a limited pilot on high-value or high-risk items, leverage existing blockchain cloud services, engage Tier 1 suppliers early, and only scale outward once transparency, speed, and compliance gains are proven, using iterative pilots to lower risk and demonstrate tangible business value.